under the Curves tab, arc from 3 closed curves. Here you can set the direction X, Y, or Z. X or Z. Z is used mainly for gemstones and other objects. Y direction is used to use the same component to make rings. You can change the number of pipes. You can change the top location. You can scale it. And it creates an arc. Top location. Middle location. You can adjust the seam. You move the middle location, adjust the seam. This is the top curve, middle curve, bottom curve, curve arc. Notice from here to here, extended arc past the point. You can change the bottom, scale it, top, scale it, and bottom location. Now let's bring in a gemstone girdle curve. And bring it in here. Let's change the gemstone to 8 millimeters by 8 millimeters by 4 millimeters. Now you can start to see how you can be building the claws on the gemstone, parametric to the shape of the gemstone. So let's use a round gemstone just for ease. Let's bring the top location down. Let's bring the middle location up closer to the girdle. Let's make sure this is 1 to start. Let's bring the bottom location up to here. Let's bring the seam back to, no, that's not. Bring the middle seam back to the correct location. Now we have 6 claws. What we can do is pipe those claws. Come back to curve, pipe mill grain, bring that in. Let's use the curve arcs. Set it to curves. Now we have claws for our gemstone. Now let's have a little bit of fun. I can change the middle seam. I'm going to go 0.2. No, let's go less than that. Let's go, okay, 0.03. Okay, let's take those pipes and bake those pipes into the side stone. Now let's move this in the opposite direction. We can change this, edit the text. We want it 3 decimals, but we want it negative. 1 negative. Now let's change let's do a little more. We'll adjust the location again, and let's bake these curves, these pipes. Now you have a set. You can even make it more complex. You can change the mid seam a little more, or let's do it this way. We're going to scale it out a bit, scale it out a bit, scale it out a bit, and let's put the seam at 0. Edit this again. This is 1 to 2. Okay. And we're happy with that. We can bake that as well. So here you have a simple case of making claws using the arc from 3 circles, closed circles. We will side stones, and we're going to double click here again. We can increase the number of claws. We can change it to a cushion, and we can just keep changing any shape of gemstone you want. Bring this in. Everything is parametric and guided by the sliders. Thank you for watching.